Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and all its fascinating creatures. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share some incredible stories with you today. As we take our first steps into this week's journey, let's dive into the world of photography and conservation. The 2025 Environmental Photography Awards have just announced their winners, and the images are truly breathtaking. From the frozen tundras of Iceland to the vibrant oceans of Australia, these photographs showcase the beauty and diversity of our planet. One of the standout images is of a leafy sea dragon, taken by Daniel Sly in the waters of Australia. This incredible creature, with its elaborate camouflage and gentle demeanor, is a reminder of the awe-inspiring beauty that can be found in the ocean's depths. But it's not all about the pretty pictures. Many of these photographs also highlight the impact of human activity on the environment. An image taken by Amy Jones, for example, shows an elderly Indochinese tigress trapped in a tiny enclosure on a tiger farm in Thailand. This powerful photo sheds light on the dark world of animal exploitation and the urgent need for conservation efforts. We'll also be exploring the fascinating world of polychaete worms, which may not be as glamorous as some of the other creatures we feature, but play a vital role in maintaining the health of our oceans. And of course, no discussion of nature photography would be complete without mentioning the stunning landscapes that inspire us to protect and preserve our planet. From the majestic icebergs of Iceland to the intimate portraits of animals in their natural habitats, these images remind us of the importance of conservation and our responsibility to safeguard the future of our planet. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. On Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. We're diving into the fascinating world of scientific research, and today we have a compelling story about the latest discoveries in lung cancer treatment. Imagine being able to understand how cancer cells adapt and become resistant to therapy. A recent study, published in Nature Communications, has shed some light on this complex process. The researchers focused on human lung adenocarcinoma, one of the most common types of lung cancer, and explored how it develops resistance to Egger therapy, a commonly used treatment. The team discovered that a phenomenon called basal shift transformation plays a key role in this resistance. Essentially, the cancer cells undergo a transformation, shifting from a more differentiated state to a more primitive, basal-like state. This change allows them to evade the effects of the therapy and continue growing. What's remarkable about this study is that it provides new insights into the mechanisms underlying cancer resistance. The researchers used advanced techniques, including organoid culture, to study the behavior of lung cancer cells in a controlled environment. They found that the basal shift transformation is driven by specific molecular changes, which could potentially be targeted with new therapies. This breakthrough has significant implications for the development of more effective treatments for lung cancer. By understanding how cancer cells adapt and become resistant, scientists can design new strategies to overcome this resistance and improve patient outcomes. As we continue to explore the intricacies of cancer biology, we're reminded of the complexities and challenges of this disease. However, with each new discovery, we're one step closer to finding better solutions. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, dear listeners. As we conclude our journey through the wonders of the natural world, I'd like to take you on a different kind of adventure, one that pushes the limits of human endurance and showcases the incredible feats that can be achieved when determination meets passion. Imagine embarking on an 8-month-long triathlon that spans over 13,000 kilometers, crossing multiple countries and culminating at the highest peak on Earth, Mount Everest. Sounds daunting, doesn't it? Well, former Royal Marine Mitch Hutchcraft has just accomplished this extraordinary feat, which he aptly calls the world's longest triathlon. As we delve into Mitch's remarkable journey, let's set the scene. Starting from Dover in September last year, he swam 34 kilometers across the English Channel, a formidable challenge that requires immense physical and mental strength. From there, He cycled an astonishing 11,909 kilometers from France to India, navigating through diverse landscapes and overcoming countless obstacles along the way. But Mitch didn't stop there. He then ran 900 kilometers from India to Kathmandu in Nepal, a testament to his unyielding spirit and dedication to his goal. And finally, he trekked 365 kilometers to reach Everest Base Camp, where he prepared for the ultimate climb to the summit of the 8,1849-meter mountain. As Mitch reached the summit at 7:20 a.m. Nepalese time on Sunday, he described the experience as more magical than I could have ever dreamed it would be. This remarkable achievement is not only a tribute to his own perseverance, but also a testament to the power of human connection and the impact that nature can have on our lives. Throughout his journey, Mitch faced numerous challenges, from being knocked off his bike by a taxi to being held at gunpoint in Serbia. Yet, he persevered, driven by his passion for adventure and his commitment to raising £500,000 for Savsim, a wildlife conservation charity that supports military veterans' mental health. As we reflect on Mitch's incredible journey, we're reminded of the importance of pushing beyond our limits, embracing challenges, and respecting the natural world. His story is a powerful reminder that with determination and courage, we can achieve greatness and make a positive impact on the world around us. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.